Ellen Eckman of Agora Financial joins us now for the final trade of the day, and we have to take a look at your weekly options alert. But before I get to that, you know I love your trader talk, Ellen.
Call that a comeback. That is a comeback, people. Completely erased that Friday fall. New all-time highs in tech. Tech takeoff, like I've said, it's not over.
All right, so your WPI trade tracker, you have some trades on here. You put on Nugget last week. You got Corning. What's going on with these trades?
So we've got some options for March. Some of our positions here, we've got U.S. Steel for March, we've got Corning for March, and we've got Nugget, which is March 6th. That was a protective play, so we'll see what happens, but we've still got plenty of time in those positions. The other one is Mylan. Mylan's an April play, getting a breakout above that 2250, so that's looking like it could have some kick at these levels.
Well, that's a good thing. Your WPI trade trigger for this time is Intel, and you call this a momentum mover.
Yeah, Intel's a big player, so exceptional Intel. And believe it or not, even after this extended move, the PE ratio is only around 15, so it's still cheap in compared to the rest of the market, and especially compared to the rest of tech. So this stock was 7% off its highs with this recent pullback, but it was still positive 7% in 2020. So it's been very, very strong, up more than 30% in the last 52 weeks. So the April options have 2 more months of time, actually more than that. The $60 call, because 60 was that breakout base of support. So I'm leaning on that level, looking for this to make some new highs once again, as we've already seen in the market itself.
Taking a look at your trading floor takeaways, Alan. Number one.
Halfway home. We're halfway home with our earnings season so far. The stock market's fully recovered, but we're only halfway there when it comes to earnings, but we've beaten expectations one more time.
Number two.
3,200 held. Test and reject. We've talked about price. It's all about price and how the markets react. We've seen that once again. 3,200 was that super support in the S&P, and it was bad enough to buy, and you saw the market come right back.
Number three.
3,500. We've talked about this over and over and over. The V recovery is still intact. We've seen monster market momentum, so that's the next target. Still up above, up and away.
Thanks so much for your trader talk. You're very positive.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.